The screen of the phone is the most important part of it outside camera and performance, since most of the time we're looking on our screen to watch movies, play games, and navigating on different apps. And this is specifically challenging for some consumers because there are a few people who consider phones with brighter color display, some wanted to have e-paper-like panel, and some even prefer bigger screens so you can see and read more. Today we're reviewing what could be one of the more versatile display we can find on any smartphone, a fully colored LCD screen but can easily be switched to a paper-like black and white or color mode depending on your preference with just one toggle. We're reviewing the latest TCL NXTPAPER 70 Pro. First, let's talk about the display. This is a fully colored LCD screen with 120Hz refresh rate that can be transformed to a paper-like display with just one toggle, a perfect balance between those people who like colored display and people who loves e-readers. It's not as big as tablets with thick bezels, but it's also not small as a typical smartphone that can cause eye strain when reading small text. This 6.9-inch display sits right in the sweet spot, perfect for reading, gaming, and watching content. The screen has a matte finish which reduces glare compared to a traditional glossy display. It's bright and colors pops out nicely thanks to the LCD technology. For gaming, the 120Hz refresh rate gives you a smooth and responsive experience. Now that's just one mode because this one actually has 3 display modes, which I think is the biggest feature of this phone. You can switch between max e-ink mode, ink paper mode, and color paper mode. The display also has anti-glare and anti-fingerprint properties, making it easy to use outdoors even in direct sunlight. I had no problems reading text or watching content. And at night or during long binge watching sessions, the screen filters blue light to reduce eye strain, make this phone ideal for extended use. Personally, I sometimes check my phone in the middle of the night due to time differences with family and friends abroad. I noticed that using this phone doesn't disrupt my sleep pattern as much. Thanks to its adaptive color temperature, that's a huge advantage of this display. Especially when you activate the ink mode, turns your screen to paper-like, kills your excitement to doom scroll, which is honestly a lot of teens and kids might need right now. In terms of performance, this phone is impressive for its price. It uses MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset. And for comparison, this chipset is also found in phones like Motorola Edge 50 Neo, IQ 710X, and Nothing Phone 3A Lite, solid mid-range phones for daily use and even gaming. It's built on a 4nm process, which means better power efficiency and performance. It can also handle AI tasks quite well for its price range. On Geekbench 6, the performance is somewhere between Snapdragon 865 and MediaTek Dimensity 8300. In real-world use, you can play demanding games without issues, combined with 8GB of RAM, expandable to 24GB via virtual RAM. Multitasking is smooth, and storage goes up to 512GB, and you can expand it further up to 2TB via microSD. I know that T-Mobile starts at 128 gigs, so make sure you chat with your network provider. For connectivity, it supports 5G network and Wi-Fi 6E for faster and more stable connections. And during testing, I played games like Mobile Legends and PUBG, and the phone handled them smoothly, especially with the 120Hz display enhancing the experience. I can play medium to high settings without any hiccups. Phone wasn't too hot as well, but make sure to take some breaks in between. Now for daily use, this phone is very reliable. It has 5200 mAh battery paired with 33 watts of fast charging, giving you more usage time and less time plugged in. This is a great phone for people who spend a lot of time reading, watching content, or gaming. In my usage, camera tests, movies, gaming, and even some video editing on my phone, I usually end the day with around 30% battery left. That's a solid all-day battery life. Charging is also quick. You can go from 0 to 50% in about 38 minutes, basically enough time for breakfast and getting ready in the morning, or if in the middle of the day, enough time to finish one episode of a Netflix series, and off you go. For durability, it has IP68 rating, meaning it's dustproof and water resistant. It can survive being submerged to water up to 30 minutes. That's pretty impressive if you don't want to snap any case on this phone. You know you got protection from daily commute and even some tough situations. This phone runs on Android 16 out of the box, offering modern features and built-in security controls for apps, cameras, and microphone access. You have the familiar home screen layout, Google Cards when you swipe left, all apps when you swipe up, and the familiar toolbar or shortcut when you swipe down on the right, and all notifications on the left. Navigation options include gesture controls and navigation buttons. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, which is fast and reliable even with sweaty fingers. I don't have any issues with the scanner, works 8 out of 10. And because of its large 6.9-inch display, it also supports stylus input enabled in the settings. This is great for note-taking, drawing, or even scrolling while reading. You have to enable this on the settings because it's off by default. It works really well even with third-party stylus. Pretty sure it will work with anything you already have. The design is modern with dual camera setup that somehow resembles an iPhone style layout. I strongly feel that some people would probably think you're using an iPhone because of the back design. Color options are Nebula Gold and Stellar Blue. We got the Stellar Blue, which I feel is more corporate. Since this phone is running on Android 16, it includes a wide range of AI features. You get Google Gemini and Circle to Search. These are the two AI features built in on Android 16, and you can easily access them by holding the power button for 2 seconds. Mom-in-law will be here tonight. Can you give me the ingredients of adobo?
Here are the essential ingredients for a classic chicken or pork adobo. Meat, 1 kilogram chicken pieces, pork belly, or a mix of both.
Additional AI feature includes AI text tools, voice memo, and translation. But I think the coolest AI feature is Magic Eraser and Unblur, found in the gallery. This allows removal of unwanted object on the image and even unblurring blurred shots. Overall, it offers more built-in AI features than many competitors at this price range. Now, jumping into the camera performance, one common issue with mid-range phones are weak cameras. I'm glad to tell you that this is not the case here. The TCL NXTPAPER 70 Pro actually has one of the better camera systems in its category. It features a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a decent size of 1/1.56-inch, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main sensor captures detailed and sharp images, and the OIS helps reducing the blur, especially in low light. It can shoot 4K video, which is a big plus for vloggers and content creators. This can seriously rival some mid-range phones on its price range straight up. The front camera is 32 megapixel with portrait mode available for both front and the rear cameras. You also get a pro mode allowing manual controls over ISO, white balance, and focus. Image quality is natural looking, especially in daylight with good details and exposure. Low light shots are improved with night mode, which uses multi-frame processing for better results. It also includes Muse film presets like black and white, sketch, and dramatic. You can apply creative looks instantly without editing. Some of the few tricks on the camera app. Quickly doing a vlog test. This is the selfie video recording 1080p or full HD 30 FPS. And we're vlogging using the rear camera 1x. 4K 30 FPS again using the rear camera. I kinda like the audio on TCL NXTPAPER 70 Pro. This is the rear camera 1x. This is 2x. And we can go as far as 6x. So what's our verdict? This is a very capable mid-range smartphone that can compete with other amazing mid-range phones in its category. You get a unique and versatile display, solid performance with Dimensity 7300, a reliable dual camera system, all-day battery with fast charging. But what truly sets this apart is the display. When I say peak display in the beginning, I don't mean the brightest and the most color-accurate screen. I mean what it offers in usability, especially when it's seamless switching between display modes. This isn't just a gimmick or home screen themes, it delivers real benefits. Less eye strain, better reading experience, reduced sleep disruption, can also reduce doom scrolling. For the price, this might just be the best paper display smartphone in terms of value and innovation. A solid performing, long-lasting, durable phone with a truly comfortable screen.